In an alarm-raising development, a new report by the World Meteorological Organization, WMO, concludes that extreme weather events in 2023 have surpassed previous benchmarks, signaling a distressing escalation in global climate change. The WMO's annual State of the Global Climate Report indicates that last year marked historic highs for global temperatures, oceanic warmth, and the rapid melting of ice masses. The report underscores that the planet's average surface temperature was 1.45 Cs above pre-industrial levels, approaching the critical 1.5 C threshold experts believe will accelerate environmental disruption. Although the El Niño weather pattern contributed to this temperature rise, the record high outdistanced the prior peak established in 2016 by a sizable margin. Heat waves, floods, droughts, wildfires, and increasingly intense tropical cyclones defined the year, with dire consequences for populations worldwide, both in terms of human suffering and economic damage. The WMO's findings highlight particularly the unparalleled ocean warmth, significant glacier retreat, and the dramatic loss of Antarctic sea ice. A staggering more than 90% of the world's oceans were affected by marine heat waves at some point in 2023, posing a significant threat to coral reefs critical to marine biodiversity. Glaciers, notably in North America and the European Alps, experienced extreme melt rates. In a striking comparison, the ice covering around Antarctica shrunk by an area comparable to the combined size of France and Germany when measured against the previous record in 2022. Adding to the dire picture painted by the report, sea levels continued to rise at an alarming rate, with the past decade witnessing more than double the rate of the rise of the 1993 to 2002 period. Scientists warn of a potential 2-meter sea level rise by the end of the century if greenhouse gas emissions stay unchecked, a scenario that could displace approximately a tenth of the world's population. Amidst the troubling observations, the WMO also offers a beacon of hope, pointing to a surge in renewable energy adoption. The rapid expansion of renewable energy capacities in 2023, which saw a 50% increase, demonstrates a significant stride toward curbing the worst impacts of global warming. This progress provides a tangible path for the clean energy goals set by international accords, aiming to triple renewable energy sources by the end of this decade. While the extensive damage illustrated by weather trends in 2023 underscores the urgency of climate action, the growth of renewable energy sectors presents a promising response to the WMO's Red Alert. As mentioned in the report, the transition to renewables promises not only environmental benefits, but also fiscal savings and energy market stability. Policymakers are urged by environmental experts to consider this juncture as a pivotal moment to intensify investments in renewable energy infrastructure, leveraging the cataclysmic portrait sketched by the WMO's report as a motivation to decisively combat climate change. As climate-related disasters continue to surge and jeopardize ecosystems, economies, and communities, the global commitment to sustainable energy could be our most critical leverage in safeguarding our planet's future.